Why renters should get a smart thermostat now to save money and stay comfortable. If you're renting a home or an apartment, the idea of saving some cash each month is probably music to your ears. Enter smart thermostats. These nifty devices can help you cut down on energy costs without requiring any major renovations. Brands like Nest, Amazon, and Honeywell Home offer models that are easy to install and use, making them a perfect fit for renters. So, how much can you actually save? According to the experts at Ecobee, their smart thermostats can help you save up to 26% on heating and cooling costs by optimizing energy usage. And when paired with smart sensors, they can even pause your HVAC system when a door or window is open, maximizing your savings even further. But before you rush out to buy one, there are a few things you need to consider. First off, you'll want to know if you need permission from your landlord to install a smart thermostat. After all, you don't want to end up in a sticky situation. Installing a smart thermostat is usually a straightforward process. You simply replace your old thermostat with the new one, ensuring it has a Wi-Fi connection and an app for easy programming. These devices can learn your habits and adjust the temperature automatically based on when people are home. If you're paying your own electricity bills, you could see average savings of around $140 per year, with some estimates going as high as $250. That's a significant amount of money, especially if you plan to stay in your rental for a while. Now, let's talk about getting permission. It's essential to check your lease for any specific rules regarding installations. Some landlords may be open to the idea, especially since they'll benefit from the energy savings once you move out. Others might be hesitant about giving up control over the heating and cooling system. The best way to find out is to have a friendly chat with your landlord or property management. Time is of the essence. With potential price increases on the horizon due to tariffs and rising component costs, it's wise to act quickly. Smart thermostats are in demand, and availability may dwindle as prices rise. For a budget-friendly option, consider Amazon's smart thermostat, which is priced under $100 and can even work with an Echo Dot as a sensor. Lastly, keep in mind that some landlords may want to maintain control over the thermostat settings. While this could lead to some uncomfortable situations, many states have laws in place to protect tenants from extreme temperature settings. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with local regulations and communicate openly with your landlord about any concerns. In summary, if you're a renter looking to save money and enhance your living space, a smart thermostat could be a game changer. Just remember to do your homework, get the necessary permissions, and act fast to snag one before prices go up. For more tips on smart home technology that can elevate your rental experience, check out our guides on home security for renters, installing security cameras in apartments, and easy ways to save money with smart devices.